Hi guys, back with another video. I hope you are doing well, studying well, and coming to this video, I have come up with few courses into the SQL, MySQL, Python, Shopify e-commerce platform, RStudio, live trading part, a few other courses, right? So, but before then, I need your support, guys, to grow my YouTube channel. If at all you feel any kind of benefit of any kind of benefit is incurred by my videos, to please consider subscribing to my channel, hitting the bell icon so that you can have the regular updates whenever I post a new video. You will get notified to it, and you will make sure you will never miss out a video, because all the courses, the coupons I share in this video, right, they have some expiry dates as such, because first come first serve is what it is. This is the concept, so please make sure you are subscribed. Like I said, I will be leaving the links to these courses in the description below. Please check them out and avail the offer as soon as possible. Few courses I have enrolled previously in 2020, but you can still avail this offer. The coupon is still active, and you can avail the offer. I need your support, guys, to make this content long run. In long run, I will be bringing a few more professional courses to you with free of cost, and any update you have, right? You want any courses you need, right? Please mention in the comment section below so that I can crack it for you and bring it to you. My only aim of bringing these courses to you is to upgrade yourself, and you should be aware of the technology progress that is going on in the market. So make sure you are aligned to this channel, and stay tuned for more content. That's it, guys. See you in the next video.